So some breaking news coming in from Paytm Payments Bank. The story is, of course, taken a life of its own since last week with the 31st of January when the Reserve Bank of India announced severe business restrictions on Paytm Payments Bank, which basically blocked any fresh deposits from February 29, 2024. Now, what sources are telling NDTV Profit is that the RBI may consider a review. Remember that this is may consider a review, and this is not a definitive review that is likely to happen next week of this February 29 deadline. The reason behind this is because the movement of deposits outside of Paytm Payments Bank accounts has been slower. So next week at some point in time, the Reserve Bank of India will review the situation and will see if there is a need to extend this deadline, because the RBI wants to avoid a situation that as of 29th of February, people's money is still stuck in these Paytm Payments Bank accounts and they're not able to access those funds. Sources also telling NDTV Profit that Paytm Payments Bank has been instructed to help users to move money from dormant accounts to source bank accounts. Remember that if your account is a dormant account, you really can't make any transactions. But Paytm Payments Bank has been advised that if the amount is moving to the source bank account, then that transaction should be allowed. This is to ease the situation for the customers so they can start moving those deposit balances back to their accounts. It is also understood from sources that the RBI is watching these day-end balances of the payments bank very, very closely. This is so that the RBI can pay attention, can look at where exactly this money is going and how soon these bank accounts are being emptied so that its supervisory action does not affect the average customer.